Yeah, hi everyone. In the last class, we discussed about a file system versus DBMS. Now, in today's class, I will be going to explain about architecture of DBMS. Uh, it is nothing but a view of data in the DBMS. So, firstly, what does it mean? So, it refers to that how the data is seen by the user, how the data is accessed, or how data is present to the user in a database system. Okay, so users what kind of data can see, how the data can be accessible, how the data is presented to the users. This is all maintained by DBMS, right? How this DBMS is organizing the data. Here the DBMS is organizing the data in three different layers, that is called as a three-level architecture. Okay, so there are the three level of architectures. So here the three levels are physical level, logical level or view level. We'll see one by one. The first one is external level view or one-time architecture or user's view. This is nothing but what end users can able to see through applications called as an user's view. Suppose if we take an example of a college, that college is running an application that suppose my college, if you take my college is running an application called as a Vidya Kendra. So all students will install this app to access the attendance and the marks of a student. Okay, suppose if I am a student, I'm using this Vidya Kendra app. What I can see is my marks and my attendance because I'm a student. Okay, so I am the user of the applications, but I cannot access all my friends' details. Okay, this is a user's point of view, one type of user. If I am a teacher, I can access all the student details of a particular class. This is the user's view. Teacher is also a user of that app, but so type of user is different. Next, the third type of user, if you take a principal, if I am a principal, I can access all branches data. Yes or no? So I have a full right to access all the branches of data. So you are giving access to a student to access their particular student details. If you are if a user is a type like teacher, and the teacher can access all the students details of a particular class. If user is a principal, then that principal can access all the college details. Okay, so here both the teacher, student and principals, all the users, but level of here view is different based on the type of your user. You're giving access to that user. So this is maintained by the DBMS. This is called as a view, and also it is called as external level view. Okay, so one level or one tier architecture we can call it as. And the second one is conceptual level. So it is called as a logical view. Suppose and Vidya Kendra app where the data is updated all the student details. Suppose I'm a teacher, I updated all the student details like their name, roll number, and the department. Okay, like that, all the branches teachers will upload their name, their class details, their student name, roll number, department. Now, app contains different branches details of the students. Okay, now another data which faculty will upload is student marks. Now app contains two different sets of data. One is the student details and the one is marks details. Now what happens here? So if as you these two are the two different data sets. Yes or no? Student details you uploaded and later you uploaded marks of the student, uh, particular student. Now when you like if I'm a user like a student, I can access my marks based on my roll number. If I enter my roll number, I'm able to get my marks. Now, what happens here? The DBMS is connecting the two data sets and find out the relation between these two, like based on the branch, based on the name, based on the roll number, and the subject and the score. Everything the student can get the details, right? So this is all internal, like logical view. So there is a relation between the data sets. It will be found out by the DBMS, which is managed by the database designer. Okay, this is called as a conceptual level view. Next one is internal level or physical view. It is maintained by the DBMS, which is not required by the user. this data structure will be understood by the DBMS. How the data is actually storing on the disk or the memory. How it is including the data by using indexing or the storage path or any file path. How the data is actually stored, that is done by the DBMS internally. How the data is actually is maintained. Okay, this is called as internal level, internal process. This is called as a physical view. Okay, so finally there are the three levels. This third level is called as a three-tier architecture. So finally, why this is important, why this level of architecture is important means, so based on the type of user, you are maintaining the access. So users can see what they want to use, what they want to access. If the student need only student details. If the teacher needs all the sections, all the students of the particular section. If user is a principals needs all the branch details. Based on the type of user, you are maintaining the data, you are giving access. This is maintained because of this DBMS, and you are maintaining the security. Okay, since it is very simple because we are not dealing with any complex data structure. Okay, that's why it is very important, the architecture of DBMS. I hope you understood there are the three levels: physical level, logical level, or external level. So external level is nothing but a user's point of view, logical level, and the physical level. I hope that today's topic is clear. We'll see with the in the next topic in the next class. I hope that today's topic is clear. Please make a note, and please do subscribe to my channel if you are a new user, if you don't subscribe. And if you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section and give me some feedback what I have need to improve, and am I going speed or slow? Do I need to improve any presentation? Do I need to improve my voice? What I need to improve? Because of your feedback, I can improve. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.